Dear students, in today's class we are going to begin a new chapter, that is pairs of equations. Okay, in pairs of equations, so what do we do is that after reading the problem or after reading the question, we form one or two equations. Okay, after that we solve that equation to find the unknown number. If a question is given, in that question there will be an unknown number. So after reading the question, we form equations. After that, we solve the equations to get the unknown number. So let's go through the examples in the textbook, page number 33. Okay, the chapter begins in page number 33. In 33, you can see at first there are 100 beads in a box. Some black and some white. 10 more black than white. Then how many black, how many white? ഒരു ബോക്സിൽ അവിടെ 100 ബീഡ്സ് ഉണ്ട്, 100 മുത്തുകളുണ്ട്. സം ആർ ബ്ലാക്ക് ആൻഡ് സം ആർ വൈറ്റ്. ചിലതെല്ലാം ബ്ലാക്ക് ആണ്, ചിലതെല്ലാം വൈറ്റ് ആണ്. അതിൽ ബ്ലാക്ക് ഈസ് മോർ, ബ്ലാക്കിൻ്റെ എണ്ണം കൂടുതലാണ് ദെൻ വൈറ്റ്. എത്ര കൂടുതലാണ്? ബ്ലാക്ക് ഈസ് 10 മോർ ദാൻ ദ വൈറ്റ്. വൈറ്റിനേക്കാൾ 10 എണ്ണം കൂടുതലാണ് ബ്ലാക്ക്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എത്ര ബ്ലാക്ക് ഉണ്ട്, എത്ര വൈറ്റ് ഉണ്ട് എന്നാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിത് വ്യത്യസ്തമായ രീതികളിലൊക്കെ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാം. എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് നോക്കാം. ഒന്നാമത്തത്, നമ്മൾ ബ്ലാക്കിൻ്റെ എണ്ണം എക്സ് എന്ന് എടുക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ബ്ലാക്ക് ബീഡ്സ് ഈസ് ടേക്കൺ ടു ബി എക്സ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എക്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് ബ്ലാക്കിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് ബ്ലാക്ക് ഈസ് 10 മോർ ദാൻ വൈറ്റ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ വൈറ്റ് ഈസ് 10 ലെസ് ദാൻ ബ്ലാക്ക്. therefore number of white beads is equal to x minus 10. x minus 10 അത്ര തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. number of black beads is x, therefore number of white beads is 10 less than number of black beads, therefore x minus 10. And there are 100 beads, total there are 100 beads, therefore when we find the sum of these two, we'll get what? 100. therefore number of black beads plus number of white beads is equal to 100. So we got an equation now. Okay, and from this we can find out number of black beads and the number of white beads. See, x plus x is equal to 2x, then minus 10 is equal to 100. Then minus 10 when taken to the other side, it becomes what? Plus 10. Okay, plus 10. Here we will get 2x. So 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. therefore x is equal to 110. 2x is equal to 110. therefore x is equal to half of 110. that is 110 divided by 2, that is equal to 55. Okay, that means the number of black beads is equal to 55, and total there are 100 beads, black and white beads, there are total 100. therefore from 100 we can subtract 55 to get number of white beads. So number of white beads is equal to 45. This is how we find the unknown number asked in the question. Okay, or the unknown number in the problem. So what we have done, number of black beads is taken to be x and number of white beads is taken to be x minus 10, because number of white beads is 10 less than number of black beads, and their sum is given to be 100. therefore we form an equation like this, and from that we find out the value of x. X is number of black beads, and we know the total number of black beads and white beads is 100. Therefore, from 100 we subtract 55 to get number of white beads. Thus, number of white beads is equal to 45. Okay. The same problem we can solve in another way, that is taking the number of white beads and number of black beads as the two variables. Okay, number of black beads is denoted by x and number of white beads is denoted by y, and in that way also we can solve. We can find out the number of black beads and the number of white beads. See how we do that. Okay, so number of black beads is taken to be x and number of white beads is taken to be y. This is taken to be y, and we know that number of black beads plus number of white beads is equal to 100. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 100. X plus y is equal to 100. And we know that y is 10 less than x. Okay, y is 10 less than x. Number of white beads is equal to number of black beads minus 10. White beads is 10 less than number of black beads. Therefore, y is equal to x minus 10. And this y is equal to x minus 10. That value is substituted in this equation. Okay, we have two equations now. One is what? X plus y is equal to 100. That is sum of black beads and white beads is 100. And the second equation is that number of white beads is 10 less than number of black beads. And from this we know y is equal to x minus 10, and that value is substituted in the first equation, x plus y is equal to 100. That means in place of y we can write what? X minus 10. We can write x minus 10. See, so we get like this, x plus, and this y is what? X minus 10. Therefore, x minus 10, and that is equal to 100. X plus x is 2x. So, 2x minus 10 is equal to 100. Then 100 plus 10 is equal to 2x. This minus taken 10 is taken to the other side. Okay, 100 plus 10 is 110. So, x is equal to 110 by 2, that is equal to 55. Equal to 55. Thus, we get what? Number of black beads is equal to 55 and number of white beads is equal to 45. We come to the same answer in another method. Okay, in another method. See the difference between the first method and second method. In the second method, we have used two variables. What is meant by variable? A letter which takes different values, that is called a variable. Here the number of black beads is denoted by x and number of white beads is denoted by y. So, this is the second method of solving an equation. In the first method we have used only one variable, that is x. Okay, in the second method we have used two variables, one is x, the other one is y. Okay, then we can move to the next question. Example in textbook, page number 34. Okay, page number 34, almost in the middle you can see one question, that is the price of a table and a chair together is 5,000 rupees. The price of a table and 4 chairs is 8,000 rupees. What is the price of each? Okay, and this problem also can be solved in two different methods. That is, in the first method we had used only one variable x, and like that we can solve this problem. Okay, we can find out the price of table and price of a chair. That is the question, what is the price of each? So we can find out the price of table and price of chair using the first method, that is we denote or we use only one variable x. After that we can find out the price of table and chair taking two variables, okay, two variables x and y, and two methods have been explained in the textbook, and those two methods will be explained now. So we can move to the answer. Question once again, the price of a table and chair together is 5,000 rupees, okay. Then the price of a table and 4 chairs is 8,000 rupees. Then what is the price of each? This is example 2. Example 2, page 34. Okay, page 34. Price of a chair is taken to be x. Price of chair is equal to x, and we know the price of a chair and a table is 5,000 rupees. Therefore, what will be the price of table? Price of the table will be 5,000 minus price of chair, okay. So price of table is equal to 5,000 minus x, okay, 5,000 rupees minus x. Then we have one more statement in the question, that is the price of a table and price of 4 chairs. 4 chairs makes 8,000 rupees, okay. That means the price of a table and 4 chairs together is 8,000 rupees. So we can make another equation, or we get another equation. What is that equation? Price of a chair, price of a table, that is 5,000 minus x, plus price of 4 chairs, okay, price of a table plus price of 4 chairs, that is 4x. Price of a chair is equal to x, therefore price of 4 chairs is 4x, and that together is 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees. Now you can see that minus x plus 4x, minus x plus 4x is equal to 3x. Minus x means minus 1x, okay. Minus 1x plus 4x is 4x minus 1x, that means 3x will be there, and here is 5,000. So 5,000 plus 3x, 5,000 plus 3x is equal to 8,000. Therefore 3x is what? 8,000 minus 5,000, and x is 8,000 minus 5,000 divided by 3, okay. 8,000 minus 5,000, then we get what? 3x only, okay. So 3x is 8,000 minus 5x, therefore x is equal to this divided by 3, okay. Up 8,000 minus 5,000 is 3,000. 3,000 divided by 3, we get 3,000 divided by 3, and that is equal to 1,000. Therefore the price of a chair is 1,000 rupees, and we know that the price of a table and price of a chair together is 5,000 rupees. Therefore if the price of one chair is 1,000 rupees, then the price of table is 4,000 rupees. Therefore we get price of a table is equal to 4,000 rupees. That means 5,000 rupees minus x. X is what? 1,000. Therefore 5,000 minus 1,000 is equal to what? 4,000. Therefore, the price of a table is 4,000 and the price of a chair is 1,000 rupees. Okay, price of a chair, okay, 4,000 and 5,000, sorry, 4,000 and 1,000 rupees. Okay, now we got the price of table and price of chair as 4,000 rupees and 1,000 rupees, but in this problem you can see that we have used only one variable x, okay, one letter x. The same question we discussed, okay, or we are finding the answer for the same question using two variables x and y. See how do we use and how do we come to the same answer using two variables. Okay. So price of a chair is taken to be x and price of a table is taken to be y. This is second method. Okay. Method 2. Using two variables. So price of a chair is x and price of a table is y. Okay, and we get the first equation. What is the first equation? The sum of a chair and a table is ₹5,000. Okay, sum of the price of a table and a chair is ₹5,000. Therefore, price of table, chair plus price of table is equal to ₹5,000. Next one is the price of a table and the price of 4 chairs is ₹8,000. Price of a table, that is y, plus price of 4 chairs, that is 4x, that is equal to what? ₹8,000. Thus we get two equations. We solve these two equations. How do we solve? Here from this one, from the first equation we get y is equal to 5,000 minus x, 5,000 minus x. Okay, this is the first equation, this is the second equation, and from the first equation we get y is equal to 5,000 minus x, and that value of y is equal to 5,000 minus x is substituted in the second equation. Okay, price of chair is x and price of table is y. We use different letters, variables x and y, and it is given that the price of a table and a chair is ₹5,000. Therefore, x plus y is equal to ₹5,000, and from that we get what is y or what is x. Okay, here I have taken y is equal to, so y is equal to 5,000 minus x. Then that value of y is equal to 5,000 minus x is substituted in the second equation. Now, what is the second equation? The price of a table and price of 4 chairs together makes what? ₹8,000. Okay, so y plus 4x is equal to ₹8,000, and this value of y, 5,000 minus x, is substituted here. So 5,000 minus x plus 4x is equal to ₹8,000. So minus x plus 4x is 3x. Okay, here 5,000 will be there, here 8,000 will be there. This 5,000 is taken to the other side, you will get minus 5,000, that is equal to 3,000. 3x is equal to 3,000, therefore x is equal to 3,000 by 3, that is equal to 1,000. That is price of a chair is ₹1,000, and we know that the sum of prices of table and chair is 5000, therefore price of table is 4000 rupees. So the rest you can write below, that is the answer you can write in the below. That is, x means price of chair, and price of a chair and a table makes 5000 rupees, therefore the price of the table is 4000 rupees. So you can last write price of chair is equal to 1000 rupees and price of table is 4000 rupees, as we did in the first method. Okay, so in the first method we have used only one variable x, and in the second method we have used two variables x and y. So like this, in two different ways we can come to the answer, we can find out the answer. Now look at the next one. That is page 35, example 3. Almost in the middle you can see one question, that is, when we add 1 to the numerator of a fraction and simplify it, we get 1 by 2. When we add 1 to the denominator instead and simplify it, we get 1 by 3. What is the fraction? Okay, ഒരു ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ട്, ആ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഏതാണെന്ന് നമുക്കറിയില്ല, അതിൻ്റെ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഏതാണെന്നും ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ഏതാണെന്നും നമുക്കറിയില്ല. But when we add 1 to the numerator and it is simplified, we get 1 by 2. When we add 1 to the denominator and simplify, we get 1 by 3. Then what is the fraction? That means from that one we want to find out the numerator and denominator. After finding numerator and denominator, we want to write the fraction. Okay, let's see how to find out. This is example 3, that is in page number 35. Page number 35. So if there is a fraction, that fraction will have a numerator and denominator. Okay, so we want to take numerator is equal to this and denominator is equal to this. Therefore here I take numerator is equal to x and denominator is equal to y. So numerator and denominator I have written, numerator is equal to and denominator is equal to. Then see what the question says, that in the statement it is said that if 1 is added to the numerator and simplified, we get 1 by 2. Okay, therefore what is numerator? X plus 1 is added to the numerator and simplified, then we get what? 1 by 2. So what is denominator? There is no change in the denominator, denominator is y. Okay, so first we can write what is fraction. Therefore fraction is x by y. Okay, numerator divided by denominator, that is fraction. Then a statement in the question is what? When 1 is added to the numerator and simplified. So numerator is 1 and x, and with that 1 is added. Then there is no change for denominator. Denominator is the same and simplified. It is simplified. Then what do we get? We get 1 by 2. Okay. And from this we will get one equation. This is also one equation. This can be brought into another form. Okay, by doing cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 1. This x plus 1 numerator is multiplied by 2 and that is equal to y into 1. Okay, y into 1. 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, this x plus 1 all together is multiplied by 2. Therefore, x plus 1 into 2, x plus 1 into 2 means 2 into x, 2 into 1, that is 2x plus 2. Then y into 1 is equal to y. So we get like this, 2x plus 2 is equal to y. From where we got from this equation. This equation, how do we get? Question says that if 1 is added to the numerator and simplified, we get 1 by 2. Okay, from that statement we have made an equation like this. After that, by doing cross multiplication, we get the same equation in another form, that is 2x plus 2 is equal to y. Then what is the second part of the question says that if 1 is added to the denominator and simplified, we get 1 by 3. Okay, so numerator, there is no change in the numerator is x and denominator is y, and with that 1 is added, then simplified. After simplifying, we get what? 1 by 3. Okay, that means these two are equal. And this is the second equation from the statement that we have read from the question. We get this equation by converting the statement in the question. What we have done here, the same thing is done there, that is we are doing cross multiplication and changing that equation into another form. Okay, 3 into x, 3x. Okay, this numerator and denominator are multiplied, 3 into x, 3x, then y plus 1 into 1. If anything is multiplied by 1, we get the same. If 100 is multiplied by 1, we get 100. If 1000 is multiplied by 1, we get 1. If x plus 2 is multiplied by 1, we get x plus 2. Okay, if 1000 is multiplied by 1, we get 1000. If x plus 2 is multiplied by 1, we get x plus 2. That if any number or any expression is multiplied by 1, we get the same number or same expression. So here x plus 1 into 1, sorry, y plus 1 into 1 means y plus 1, y plus 1 into 1, y plus 1. Okay, the first equation we converted into this form, and second equation we converted into this form by doing cross multiplication. Here you can see right side there is y only, and here an equal to sign. That means y is equal to what? 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2. So in this second equation, in place of y, we can substitute what? 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2. So this becomes what? 3x is equal to y is what? 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2. Then there is 1. That 1 is written. Okay, this 3x is equal to y plus 1 now has become what? 2x plus 2 plus 1. This y is what? 2x plus 2 from here. Okay, then here we have 3x, here we have 2x. This 2x is brought to this side, therefore this positive 2x becomes negative 2x, minus 2x, and already we have here 3x. So 3x minus 2x. Now both x terms are on left side of the equation, therefore next we write equal to sign. Then what is left on right side? On right side now it is left 2 and 1, that is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3x minus 2x is equal to x, and that is equal to 3. So we got x. Okay, from 3x 2x is subtracted, we get only 1x, and 1x is means x means 1x means x. Okay, so x is equal to 3. We got x is equal to 3. We have taken numerator is equal to x. That means we got numerator now. Numerator of the fraction is 3. Next we want to find out what denominator. Denominator is what? Y. And we have y is equal to 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 is equal to y means y is equal to 2x plus 2. So we can find out y. Y is equal to 2x plus 2. So that is 2 into x is what? 3. 2 into 3 plus 2. So do multiplication first. Here multiplication and addition both are there. So we want to do what first? Multiplication first. Therefore 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So we got y is equal to 8. And what is y? Y is denominator. So we got numerator and denominator. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 8. Therefore fraction is x by y, that means 3 by 8. Okay, this is how we find out the fraction. So what are the informations given in the question or in the statement that is converted into equations having variables x and y. After that required substitutions are done and we are coming to the final answer. Okay, in this case we found x and y. What is x? X is numerator, then we found denominator y, then fraction is written in the form x by y, and we got x by y, or the fraction is equal to 3 by 8. So today we started a new chapter, pairs of equations, and in this pairs of equations we discussed so far 3 examples, and 3 examples we did, or we found the answer for these 3 questions in different ways. That is, using only one variable we came to the answer. Like that, using 2 variables also we came to the answer. So like this we can come to the answers in different ways. Okay, mostly hereafter mostly we will find out the answers using 2 variables. Okay, but here we have used 2 methods, that is method using only one variable and method using 2 variables, or therefore we can find out the answers in any of the methods, using any of the methods. Okay, then in page number 36 there are 5 questions, and those 5 questions in page number 36 that we can discuss in the next class. Thank you. Hope you could understand the class well.